Morning, YouTube. Tuesday morning, not afternoon. Not a Beatles hit yet. Just stripping these little motors down. No special way to do it. Just gotta do it, right? Little bits of brass on them too. Not much, just little teeny bits, but it all adds up, right? That's how I do it. Sometimes they just disintegrate. And you get lots of copper out of them. It wasn't cut all the way through. See that? Like I said, there's no special way of doing it. It's just the way I do it. Microwave motors. You get your lovely copper. Isn't this sad, eh? This is all the copper I have so far. Woo! Now, I have to start somewhere, right? And the plastic just goes in the garbage. Just a little video. Electric motor. If they have the brass, you can pull them out first. They come out right away. Just simple. Side cutters. Don't squeeze too hard that you cut them. They're just little brass trinkets. Yeah, I went through all my brass yesterday and cleaned it all up. Made sure it was all clean, nothing foreign, nothing exciting in there. I hit it on the side just enough to get it to bust open. Then you can pop the top off and you find all the gears. And I usually do this over the pot. That way it's all contained. The gears are on a steel plate. And you dig the motor out itself. Motor just comes out of that. There's the rest of the shell. There's your motor. A little plastic liner around it. Sometimes, not all the time. You can pull it out. Just a piece of tape is what they use to hold it in. Snap it loose with the side cutters. A lot of times you can bust them. There you have it. Yeah, you don't want to throw that in the shred. There's a little bit here yet. Stuck to it. It gets pinched when these things break. Doesn't take much. They add up. And you end up with just a little bit of garbage. But that's microwave turntable motors. Majority of these, if you look at them. This one here was for an oscillating fan. Is a little bit heavier. I gotta do a little extra to take him apart. These screws will fight me all the way. There we go. Now we'll get them. We'll get them. Just enough to bend them open, see? See all the gears inside that? Yep, you find a little lip. There's a steel lip there. Pop it up. I like to do that over the shred bucket, that way it all stays contained. Now this one being fatter, as you can tell, gonna have a bigger motor, bigger amount of copper. Be trickier to get out. But he will come out. See, a lot deeper. Here's a little motor that spins when the electrical current goes through it. No, I don't proclaim to be an electric motor genius. I just know how they function. A bit of tape off. If you get the tape off now, and you're not messing with it later. There's another layer of stuff in here. This one's got a little extra. And I have yet to come across these that are not copper. I guess I better not say that too loud, because one of these days they'll come out copper. Or aluminum, I mean. They're always copper, but maybe some things just can't be replaced, right? There you have it. This little wad of copper. I'll get this little bit of plastic out. It's not a big deal. Doesn't really matter. We'll clean them up, but anyways. Makes for a nice pack of copper, you know. There's quite a bit of copper left on here yet. Get a little glove off. Some things you just can't do with gloves, right? Try to clean it up as good as you can. Least amount of plastic in, the happier they are, right? It's all number 2 copper. Anything from a fridge, freezer, air conditioner, dehumidifier, unless your yard don't care, that's generally number 2 copper, because it's had oil going through it. I've even been told by some guy there in Ontario that even plumbing, if it's been used, even though it's just had water in it, it's still considered number 2 copper. And I know, well, now they're ripping you off. Hate to say it, but that's what it is. They're ripping you off. But sometimes you're in an area where you don't have no choice, right? There, see? Pop it open. It's messy. There's grease in there. Not a lot of grease, but enough for you to touch it and get it on everything, right? That's the way I look at it. Grease is that kind of product. It'll go everywhere but where you want it to go. Little snip. Oh, like this one's gonna break all up, so that's fine. It's a simple way to get copper out. I think so. And then that's garbage. that is what I'm working on today. Nothing exciting. I have a bucket full of this stuff. I dug in the back there, got all my, well, you saw the hydro cords are up, but see this guy, he's full of all little nicks and knacks. Even a little piece of brass there, see, that's off a vacuum cleaner. When the ones that have the wind-up cord, is, well, something's got to power it, right? Yeah. Barbecue burners. Yeah, that might have been off a water heater. No, it's a sparker. Yeah, electric water heater, you know. Little trinkets in there. I'm going through it. And then this is for a later date. Cell phones in there and smalls. And then I found I had a whole bucket of these guys yet. Some nice copper in there. But anyways, that's what we're doing today. Just farting around. Don't want to make the videos too long. Beautiful sunshine. We're supposed to get rain tonight into tomorrow. According to the weatherman in Detroit, this area is going to get hit pretty hard. They're calling anywhere up to 3 inches of rain. That's a lot of water. It's coming up from the southwest. So anyways, there it is. Hello, beautiful. Like, subscribe, and share or not. Have a nice day. Want to say bye, Star? You see her down there? No? She's in the shadow.